जिस देश से संसार को है ज्ञान का प्रकाश मिला, मैंने उड़ानों में जहां सत्य का सुमन किया.
As part of the Thank You India event and to commemorate the 60th year of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's arrival in India, Central Tibetan Administration organized the Thank You Himachal program in Shimla, the Queen of Hills. The function was graced by the Governor, Acharya Devrat, who was the chief guest of the event. He was accompanied by the dignitaries of Himachal and CTA. Expressing his gratitude to the government and people of India, CTA President Dr. Lobsang Singye said,
To thank the beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh, Devbhumi, because 60 years ago, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had to leave Lhasa, the land of gods, and after 14 days of trekking, he came to India and to Himachal. So he left the land of gods, but he came and settled in the land of gods.
Speaking on the relationship between Indo-Tibetan culture, the chief guest, Sri Acharya Devrat, said,
तिब्बत और भारत आपस में सांस्कृतिक रूप से अभिन्न हैं. हमारे धर्मशास्त्रों में लिखा है कि सृष्टि की जो उत्पत्ति है वो त्रिविष्टप में हुई. त्रिविष्टप संस्कृत में तिब्बत का नाम है. कि मानव सभ्यता का सबसे पहला विकास हुआ तो वो तिब्बत की पवित्र धरती पे हुआ.
Former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Sri Veerbhadra Singh, expressed his best wishes to the Tibetan people and assured them that soon they will be free from the Chinese oppression.
हम ये ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि एक दिन वो जरूर आए जबकि तिब्बत के लोग प्रवासी जो है वापस अपने मुल्क में जा सके और उसको वहाँ का उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काम कर सकें.
धन्यवाद भारत है तेरा, thank you India, love you, love you, love you, love you, thank you India.
I would like to thankful to Tibetan society and Buddhist culture, and we are very grateful to celebrate this program here in on the Mar Road, and we have liked it very very much.
The Tibetans are very religious. They are very polite. I have some Tibetan friends and they're very nice. And the food, really like the food.
I feel that the Tibetan culture is really a positively portrayed culture, as well a very peace-loving culture.
And I congratulate the people of Tibet, and I thank all of you for arranging this program, and let us all live for a peaceful India. And my deepest regards to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who is so friendly to us.
And let's all maintain the peaceful message which the Holy Dalai Lama gives to everyone. So may God bless everyone, and let's all live peacefully and happily.
आप लोगों का डांस, आप लोगों का पहनावा, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
आप लोगों ने जिस तरह से अपनी संस्कृति को जो है देश को छोड़ने के बावजूद भी जिस तरह से आपने सांस्कृतिक वजूद के माध्यम से पूरे दुनिया के सामने से जो तिब्बत के जो उसको सांस्कृतिक पहचान और तिब्बत की जो है पहचान दी है वो बहुत बड़ी एक वो है.
The Tibetan people are very polite. Like whenever we talk to them, we have buy a lot of things over here, so they're very polite to us when we are talking to them. Very nice and honest people they are.
So it seems like many of them, they have enjoyed the program that was held earlier today, which was the Thank You Himachal program. The program had included cultural performances by the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts and the local people of Shimla. With cameraman Tenzing Chodub, this is Sakina Butt reporting from Shimla.
We love Tibetan people!